Hi, I'm Aaron Murch from 2H Media. In this video, we're going to talk about drip campaigns in Klaviyo. A drip campaign is a long-term list of single-send emails that allows you to continue sharing content with new recipients months or even years after it's created. Despite the name, a drip campaign is not actually what Klaviyo would call a campaign. While the individual emails are structured like something that would be sent in a campaign, the overall process is handled by a flow. A drip campaign is much like a monthly newsletter, but instead of sharing the most recent content, the goal is to share evergreen content that retains its value over a longer period of time. This can be a great way of sharing guides, resources, company history, or any other information that isn't going to change month over month. If you're in the process of creating a long-term email marketing strategy, a drip campaign can be an excellent way of creating recurring value off of your work while putting in the same level of effort that would be required for something like a monthly newsletter. So there you have it. If you followed along with this entire video, you should have a pretty clear idea of what a drip campaign is in email marketing.